As a consequence of a projected shortfall in revenue of about 1.8 to 2 trillion shillings in the current fiscal year and the need for an urgent intervention to help combat the spread of coronavirus, government has provided an additional 600 billion shillings in the first quarter disbursement.
In regard to releases to the health, the quarter one releases has prioritized the following: a supplementary of 206 billion to cater for provision of oxygen, which is 96.96 billion, logistics, 67.56 billion, infrastructure, including beds, ICUs, HDUs, that's a medical term, 11.56 billion, staff costs, and among the staff costs, I think there is an element of 32 billion for allowances of nurses and all these people in the health sector, case management and national and referral hospitals, etc., etc. That's the 206 billion. 218 billion.1 to cater for purchase of COVID-19 vaccines under the national medical stores and essential drugs.
The budget of most ministries, departments and government agencies have also been suppressed by up to 41.2%. Some of the non-essential areas where the supplementary resources were raised include freeze of travel abroad, workshops and seminars.
So the amount of suppression in reality is 2.6 trillion as of now. So I have that in the back of mind when giving the cash limits for first quarter, that maybe 2.6 trillion is not going to come, so that I manage a better cash flow and I can predict better the macroeconomic stability. Because I do not want to compromise that, because if inflation hits up, oh boy, it will be terrible.
Some of the key highlights of quarter one releases include allocation of a supplementary expenditure of 206 billion shillings to the health sector and provision of nurses and midwives allowances.
I assure the government that the nurses and the health sector now will work tirelessly, not only in terms of COVID, but every time they are supposed to go. So they should work hard now because lunch is there, and they should avoid absenteeism, they should avoid lamenting.
The supplementary expenditure also provides 53.5 billion Ugandan shillings for relief funding for the vulnerable groups. The total approved budget for the financial year 2021/2022 is 44.8 trillion shillings. Dennis Sigoa for UBC News.